Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Duffy, and today we're going to be studying Unit 1, Week 4 of your spelling words, how to write them or encode them. So your words that you're comparing and contrasting are short vowel A and long vowel A. And short vowel A, this little representation right here, this little symbol, is called a breve. So we're going to be using that as we write our spelling words. We're only going to study down through number 10 because these are review words down at the bottom. So here's our short vowel A, and what I want to say is that that's a closed syllable. Closed syllable. And that means it's one vowel followed by a consonant, makes a short vowel sound. So we're going to be using some of that terminology. And also we're going to contrast it with long vowel A, and that's going to get a macron over the top. So I'm going to be using that. That represents a long A sound. You'll see me do that. Let's get started. The first word is bag. So I'm using a dot and jot, but you can use a white piece of paper if you like. We're just going to fill in the circles for the sounds that we hear or the phonemes. Bag. B-ag. So I'm going to write one letter for every sound I hear. B-ag. Everyone gets their own box for each sound. And there's my breve. That's a short vowel symbol because look, it's one vowel followed by a consonant. Makes a short vowel sound. So there's my word bag, and I know I spelled it right because I can check it. Number 2 is cap. Make sure you read the list many times before you try and spell them so that you know what the word is. Cap is k-ap, k. That's a C, k-ap. And here again, it's that closed syllable, that short vowel sound. We like C's in the front of words, in the beginning of words. We would not put a K there unless we needed to, and that would be driven by the vowel sound there. So it's a K is a C letter. Let's go over here to ham. Am. Now you may have noticed that A has a little different sound here. This is a honking A, this one right here, because it's followed by an M. So it's more nasal sounding. Ham. Am. Hear that honking A? Ham. So I know I spelled it right. I can check it by the phonemes. Now here's where we're going to change it. This is going to be your long vowel A, and that's going to give you that vowel, consonant, E pattern. So E has many jobs. In this case, it's going to help bake. Say A. Listen for it. B-A-K. Notice there's only 3 sounds in the word bake. Watch me write it. B-A. I'm going to slip that macron right over there to remind myself. K. Now here, we want to use a K, and then I'm going to slip this E right in the same sound box because the E is making the A say its name. Watch this little bridge here. A. See that bridge? Okay, that's your long vowel sound. Let's go on to number 5. This will be 8. 8. There's only 2 phonemes there. Let's write it. A. Oh, I hear that long vowel A. That's the name of the letter sound. Name of the letter 8. And because there's that A and I reminded myself of the macron, I'm going to slip that E right in on the same box. And even though it's just 2 phonemes, it's 3 letters. And that's because it's got that bridge, getting the A and the E to work together to make it a long vowel sound. I'm going to erase these. And I'm going to come over here. We had 8, and now we're going to mad. Add. Did you hear it? I can put that symbol right there to remind myself. And D, I'm always going to start it here. It's a rounded letter. Here, and then I can pull down. Close that off. Mad. Let's go down here to number 7 is back. B-ack. Again, there's 3 sounds in the word. B-ack. So here's my short vowel A, and when I have a k at the end of a word, I'm going to use the digraph, CK. That's going to keep this vowel short. It's 2 letters, 1 sound. That's a digraph. 2 letters, 1 sound. Come on over here. Now we're going to read cape. K-A-P. Only 3 sounds, but we know we have that long vowel sound. K. Again, we go with a C. K-A. I hear a long vowel A. I'm going to put that macron on there. Cape. And because I heard long vowel A, I know that it has a vowel, a consonant, and then an E. I'm going to slip that right in on the same box because I know that E is making the A say its name. Let's go down here to maid. M-A-D. M-A. Oh, I heard that long vowel sound. D starts here on the hump and then pull down. Made. Now that would be mad if I left it alone because that would be 1 vowel followed by a consonant, like we had up here. But we want long vowel A, so we need that bridge. A vowel, consonant E. I'm going to slip that right in. He doesn't go there because he doesn't make a sound. So we're going to just put him in here on this sound box. And the last word to study is rake. The last word is rake. Rake. A. I heard the long vowel sound. K. Now, because it's long vowel, I'm not going to use CK. That's only for short vowel sounds. And I heard the long vowel A. I put that macron over there to remind myself. And then I have an E slipped in right in the same sound box. Watch me read it. Rake. Rake. Okay, so that was closed syllables versus long vowel A. That's a vowel consonant E this week. Comparing and contrasting for Unit 1, Week 4.